Hi Jeff, it's Beth. This is the third part of our video tutorial installment, and in this video we will learn to create attributes. Okay, and we'll start out by going to catalog and we'll create a new attribute. Okay, now we'll continue from our last video with the gloves, and we'll call this attribute glove size. So the attribute code will be glove underscore size. And we want to be able to apply it to any gloves that we might add in the future. And this field is very important because it will determine how the customer selects their glove size. So we want to give them the option in a drop-down menu. So we'll choose drop-down for the input type. They'll each have a unique value, and always want to make sure that the values are required. So they will have to choose a size with whichever glove product that they decide to purchase. Okay, and since we are going to relate this attribute to a configurable product in the future, we'll click yes. Okay, and these are all elements that vary from product to product. I usually would recommend leaving these as no, unless you want your product available in quick search or advanced search, but these are more advanced options. But here we'll switch down to this tab, which is very important. This is where we'll input all the different sizes that we want to give our customers choices from. Okay, and this is going to be the title, so the title will just want size, and the sizes we have available are 5 through 10. So we'll go ahead and add 6 options, and here is where we'll input our sizes under Manage Options column Admin. So we'll go ahead and put 5 through 10 here, and then the position is where we'll want them to appear just in 5 through 10. Whoops. So we'll give 5 a position of 1, so they'll be consecutive. Okay, and now we will save attribute. The next step is creating the attribute set, and you have to do it in this order or else it will not function properly when you go to create your configurable or simple products in the store. Okay, one moment. We'll also want to make sure that our attribute is visible. So we will give it the ability to appear in quick search. Alright, now time to create our attribute set. Okay, attribute set will give you, it will determine what the choices you're given when you create your configurable or simple products. So here's how we customize that. We'll just call this one gloves, and we'll go to the default selection every time because that's the way we customize our glove size. Okay, now this is where when you see these choices when you're creating a product, or any product, be it configurable or simple, this is what we're customizing. We're determining which choices are here. So general right here is going to coincide with general here, and we're now customizing all of the choices we have on the back end so that we can customize it for our customers who will see it on the front end. And these are the default settings, and we can customize them here in this window by just dragging and dropping them out. And let's see, just moving them over because we don't need this selection to be available for gloves. So then we'll move glove size into our general selection, into this section, so that it will be an option for us on the back end when we're creating our new product, which has glove sizes 5 through 10. So we'll save it, and I'll show you exactly how this works. When we go to this tab to create a new product, which will be hypothetically a new glove product, we'll be able to go to gloves right here, which is our attribute set, and all of our attributes when we're creating a simple product, we can just enter in this information, and then we have all of those attribute options right here that we created in the attribute. Thanks, Jeff, and that's how to create attributes and attribute sets.